Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode on Mighty Model Shop Creations. Today, we'll be opening this package that we got from Evil Bay. It's the second one this week. Without further ado, let's roll the intro. Okay, so let's open this thing. Careful not to cut our fingers. Oops. Bro. Like, there we go. Alright. We bought air. No, just kidding. What could it be? Ooh. Is that a Johan logo? Bam! Look at that. Johan Mustang Digger Funny Car. So we bought this off eBay. Alright, so let's open the box and give you guys a little sneak peek. You know, if you guys want to see this unboxing, comment down below. There's a little sneak peek. Alright, yeah, I mean, when we got this kit, we didn't really know what we were buying because the pictures were really crappy, and we, like, it's because there's a box panel missing, so we didn't really know what was going to be in here. But we'll have to find out together in an upcoming video. So stay tuned for that. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this quick little video. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on the post notifications to get notified when I upload another video. And see you guys later. Goodbye.